Hi everyone, my name is Ariel and this is the Kaiban board. We call it Kaiban board because it's AI in a Kanban, like Kaiban board. Uh, we were looking for ways to have like a more like user-friendly interface to show the agents work, and we come up with this idea. Just like agents at the end of the day can be like the concept of agents can be extrapolated to members of a team. So a team, like the way we digitally represent like a team work, is in a Kanban board, like in tools like Trello, Asana, Jira, and you name it. So we put it here. So right now I'm gonna show you how it works. We have these three agents here. Like you can see the name of the agent, the provider, the model. Each agent have like a task assigned to them, so you can see the task here in the board. And once I click the start workflow, the tasks are gonna be moving through the Kanban process, just like you do in your sprints and all that. If an agent has a problem, or if we like define in the agent definition that I'm gonna show you really quick, that is something have to be validated by a human or something like that, the task is gonna go to the blocked stage, and you are gonna have the opportunity to give feedback to them in the car. So let me show you really quick how this works. So the purpose of these agents is like they are gonna try to come up with ideas for you to travel. So this is the input. So like taking New York as origin, and we are trying to decide which city, like Tokyo, Paris, or Berlin, is better. Like saying that our interests are and culture, and in this date range. This is a common use case for people that are gonna try to travel. These are the agents involved, and the tasks is gonna be like the first agent is gonna try to decide which city to go based on weather patterns, seasonal events, and travel costs. The second agent, this one, is a local expert in that city, so it will come up with all the attractions in the given date range and all that. And the third one is gonna create like the travel schedule. So let's see how they works now, and then I'm gonna show you the code. So once you click in the start workflow, you see how this agent, that is the one that is performing the first task, he moved the task for the doing stage. And here you can see in the activity that this one is really cool, because you can see the entire internal like agent life cycle, how is he's thinking. He was using like this tool, like the Tabili tool, and here are the outputs he's getting from the tool, and he's like going through that like inner like agentic loop that they have. So you can see all of the loop is here, right? So he's trying to like go into the website, checking the patterns and all that, and now he come up with the flying cost, like weather forecast in the Trello card, in the Kanban card. So and here you see like the amount of tokens, the cost, like the duration and all that. So this task was marked as like needed for human feedback, so that's why it went to from the blocked stage. But also that also happens when an agent have to do something. So we are gonna just approve this car, and now you see this car in the done stage, and now the other agent is taking this task, like assuming like I'm taking as an input all the output from the task from this previous agent. This one is doing the same. So she moved the car to the doing stage, and now she put it into done. So she came in with the key attractions, local customs, and all that. And you see in the activities, he just like went to the LLM one time. You can see the cost and everything here. And then you see the last agent. He's like taking all that data from the other two teammates, and he's like thinking about it and trying to come up with the travel itinerary. So as I mentioned, you can see the model, the provider. You can play with different models here, like Anthropic, even Olama. I have tried Olama, and it works really cool. So this task needed validation too. So you came here, let's see, Tokyo, and you have this itinerary. Let's validate the task, or you can submit feedback. You know why? Let me put why I'll be there 10 days. I just approved the task without submitting the feedback. Let me go back. So once tasks are done, you have here the results, right? But if you wanna like give some feedback to the agent, you can come here, like just as a teammate. You know, like you are working in a Trello with your teammates, and you come here. Remember, that was just 7 days. I'm gonna tell the agent like, hey, I need to be just 5 days. Sorry. And when I said that, the task is gonna be going to do the doing stage, and the agent is gonna incorporate that feedback into the loop. This is really cool. If you do that with the first task, and it have like other tasks that are depending, so all the tasks are gonna go back. Here you can see the activity in the activity, right? All the activities that the team is going through. And here you see like the agent moved the task to block it, it processed it, and now we have a 5-day thing. What is really cool about this is that it's a very user-friendly way to like visualize agents' workflows, and this is amazing. You know, like, and if you pay close attention, this is running locally. So I'm gonna show you the code really quick. So here is the code. So you create as any other like a AI agent framework. You create your agents. See all those three. You assign the tasks. You create your team. You pass your API keys and all that, and you just have to run this command like npm run Kaiban, right? And this is gonna open like this local server, you know, like, and if you wanna define more teams, you can like come here, like you see this file is like trip planning KaibanJS. So if you want, you can duplicate it, and then you have another team. So as long as you have a Kaiban.js file here, it's gonna work. For more documentations, more like details, you can visit the Kaiban website. Like, Kaiban is a JavaScript library, so if you have Node installed, you can like here is a one that is running like the website, just in case if you want to try it without like having to install stuff locally. So you come here, and here are the installation instructions. You have to run this command, then you run this command, and that's it. You're gonna have the board. Here is a small video explaining. So I hope this. I hope I could like give you like a better idea of Kaiban and the Kaiban board. I'm pretty like happy that there is a lot of people like finding a lot of value, and I will love your feedback, just to like, you know, like keep refining it, because like at the end of the day, one create software for people, not for yourself. So thank you so much. Thanks. Bye.